Road Transport Corporation has initiated an inquiry following a complaint about a video that was played in one of its buses allegedly defaming senior Congress leader and leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. The incident occurred on the 1st of November when an HRTC bus from Dhalli depot was operating on the Shimla-Sanjauli route. According to the complaint, an audio clip was played on the bus, purportedly defaming political figures including Rahul Gandhi. Following the complaint, notices were issued to bus driver Tek Raj and conductor Shesh Ram seeking their explanation. Let's listen into the political reactions that are coming in.
सबसे पहले तो जो भी ऐसी बातें होती हैं ना, उनकी तरफ मैं समझता हूँ कि ये कोई बड़ी गंभीर बातें तो हैं नहीं। मैं तो सचमुच में तो सारा जो काम होता है वो लोगों के सामाजिक उत्थान, हमारे ठीक से अपने क्षेत्र में विकास हो या उससे संबंधित कोई किसी प्रकार की समस्या, उस तक ज्यादा नेताओं का ध्यान जाना चाहिए, ऐसा मेरा मानना है। और ये छोटी मोटी चीजें चलती रहती जो सचमुच अर्थहीन और तथ्यहीन ही होती है, ये सब बातें, चाहे वो कोई भी इंक्वायरी हो।
तो ये है प्राथमिकता हिमाचल प्रदेश की सुक्खू सरकार की। अर्थव्यवस्था जो है वो डूबती जा रही है, कंगाली की ओर हिमाचल प्रदेश बढ़ता जा रहा है, टॉयलेट पर टैक्स लगा रहा है, वहां पर जो वादे किए गए हैं वो पूरे नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, महिलाएं असुरक्षित है। पर कभी समोसे की जांच और अब जांच किसकी हो रही है, डिबेट कौन सी देखी जा रही है। जी हां, एचआरटीसी की बस में एक व्यक्ति राहुल गांधी पर डिबेट देख रहा था। उस डिबेट में शायद आचार्य प्रमोद जी और बाकी लोग थे, वो कुछ कह रहे थे राहुल गांधी के बारे में। ये दूसरे व्यक्ति को नागवार गुजरी तो सीएम ऑफिस कंप्लेंट कर दिया और अब सीएमओ ने जांच बैठाई है, वहां पर जांच हो रही है एचआरटीसी के कंडक्टर और ड्राइवर की कि भाई कौन सी डिबेट चल रही थी, कौन सी डिबेट देखी जा रही थी। ये है प्राथमिकता हिमाचल प्रदेश की सरकार की, कांग्रेस की। ये खटाखट मॉडल जो है ना, ये हिमाचल, कर्नाटका, तेलंगाना को बर्बाद करके रख देगा।
All right, so this is the controversy. There are political reactions coming in on how there is bankruptcy now in the state of Himachal Pradesh in terms of the political ideology as well. This controversy erupted when allegedly a video was played in the bus, which according to many has defamed Rahul Gandhi. And the reason behind this particular incident is that video. Let's go across to Poonam. Poonam, what are we picking up in terms of who's behind it? Because this definitely has led to a political war of words now.
Yeah, obviously, if you talk about who's behind it, we can never guess it, because on the one hand, when I was talking to cabinet minister, he said that I don't have what is the matter. This is not in my knowledge, and he also said that these are small issues and BJP is just creating ruckus in this small issue. They should discuss on many big issues. And right now, even press conference was done by MD HRTC Rohan Thakur. He clearly mentioned that there was not any intention that the explanation letter has been given to the two employees of HRTC, that is driver and conductor. We just need the information that what happened really happened. That was just fact finding, and we just want that what really happened on the complaint. That complaint has been given by some of the passengers sitting in the bus. He also mentioned that the words which should be used in the letter, because it was just fact finding, he should have used more good words instead of using that word that give me the explanation. He should have used simple words just to find that what really happened in the bus.
Yes, but Poonam, how can somebody control who's watching what where? And if it's a small issue, then why seek explanation from the driver and conductor is a big question, isn't it?
Yeah, this is a really big question that officers are asking for the explanation, and from the driver. But like BJP has clearly mentioned that on one side there is samosa inquiry, and on the other side there is on such a small issue like what the passengers are doing in the bus, what are they watching, and this matter they are doing inquiry. They are asking driver and conductor. Whether driver and conductor are meant for, like driver is meant for driving and conductor is meant for checking the tickets. Is not meant for like what passengers are doing in the bus. He also, like BJP is saying that such a big issues are there in Himachal. Even pensioners are not getting pension. Like in tourism department, recently the tourism department, the employees have approached court that they are not getting the financial benefits. These are the issues which need to be taken up by the government. Like financial crisis is going on in Himachal. These are the big issues which had to be taken by the government, and they're not considering these issues. Their officials are considering the small issues on the one side, Samosa inquiry, on the other side, this type of issues like HRTC inquiry has been done on conductor and driver. These are small issues. They should do something big for the Himachal, as Himachal is under financial crisis, and many issues are there that should be considered by the government.
Absolutely. One would also question if this sycophancy, is the Congress party not even willing to, listen to criticism? Stay on with us.